Hey guys, it's been a minute since I've done a video. Today I just got word that we are getting a new beekeeper. Yay! If you've been with me for the past 2 years, I started off as doing wood burning only, and then when my sales were dwindling as far as the wood burning, I started widening my horizons and doing crafts, sewing, wood carving, different things. And in the beginning of the YouTube channel, I didn't know what I was gonna do, so I said, well, let me put my beekeeper there. So I put a few videos of my beekeeper doing his thing, and I got a lot of views. It was kind of neat. But today we're getting a new beekeeper because my other beekeeper moved away. So let's begin. There they are, yay! Listen real closely. That's so neat. All right. So the cartridges in here, the bees have families. No, I'm just kidding. They make honey on these cartridges, so that's kind of neat. This is exciting.
Use a wheelbarrow key?
He said, okay.
I just want to make sure the door's
the door's open.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you're, like if you're close to a privacy fence, you can actually spin it around. Right. And when they come out, they go up anyway. But we got plenty of room here, so they'll fly out. And then I'll take the 2 feeders off. One has liquid, one has.
Now, do you do the sugar water and all of that from time to time, or?
Yeah. In the winter, they get just regular cane sugar, granulated. But since it's coming out of winter and they need to build comb on all that, I've got one where it's a real syrupy kind of. So bees are designed to defend themselves against other insects, but primarily mammals who would go in and steal honey, eat bees, skunks eat bees, stuff like that.
So that sets them off?
So when you wear leather gloves, some say that they tend to sting leather more when they get on it. So I'm switching to nitrile gloves.
Okay.
Because I wore them yesterday and
no problem.
Didn't get stung in the hand once until I took the nitrile gloves off and went to do something I shouldn't have. But yeah, so
cool.
Because for me it's hard to see through the screen, but I can see through this.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then just I'll take pictures of things a lot, and then look at them later, so I can just zoom in.
See what you're.
No, that's funny. That's taking off, right? Okay, never mind.
Well,
Just take pictures, not video.
Momentarily.
No, it's cool. He's putting on a bee suit.
Okay.
I'm not showing any,
I think the world knows what a bee suit is.
Actually, when I did my other videos, I got a lot of views.
This one's ventilated.
Yeah, I bet that's nice. In the summertime, you're not smoking, sweating to death.
Yeah, it's very nice. Normally I have higher boots that I wear, but I'm not worried about it today.
I'll block out your, well, I don't see your license plate number, but if I see, any of that stuff, I'm real,
Okay. I don't, unless YouTube has a problem, I'm okay.
No, yeah. So what are you doing exactly? I mean, I know what you're doing, but what?
So I'm putting, I use pine needles to get the smoker started. The smoke, you don't use a lot of it, but it's just enough to mask the pheromone. So any bees that do want to put out a pheromone to attack or anything like that, it masks it so they just remain calm, basically.
Okay, cool. So basically you're walking it out there saying, it's okay, everything's fine.
Yeah. Once I open it up, I'll give them since the front doors aren't open, if the front doors are open, you give them a little puff right at the front doors.
Okay. I'm actually going to stand back, way back, because he's going to open that up, so. And I want to be at a safe distance. And I don't believe I can zoom anymore. Oh, there we go. What's the plan now?
Leave them alone?
No, yep, now I just leave them alone, and I'll come out Saturday with a couple more frames to put in the top, and some sugar syrup just to top them off. Yeah, that's it. If they're still here, they could still decide to leave, but they should be good. There's plenty of room for right now. So,
The queen ain't leaving, so.
no. Well, it's open now. She could.
Yeah.
But she shouldn't.